Okay.
Good morning, YouTube. I want to start off a little different today. Some of our videos have been garbage, to put it mildly. We're going to try to make the content a little better. Slow down, explain what we're doing. I'm Steve. This is Troy. This is Troy. Our birthday boy, by the way, if anyone wants to say happy birthday in the comments. 20 today. We bought this house. We're going to completely demo it, completely fix it up, almost as brand new except for the shell. We're then going to either rent out or flip, depending on what the market says. If the market says we can rent it, we'll rent it. If not, we're going to flip it. Anywho, we're going to bring you along, try to slow down, show you more detailed of what we're doing, because a lot of videos are just time-lapsed us running back and forth. So we'll try to be more interactive going forward. I'm Steve, and this is Troy. We're together, we're a partnership forming a company called Faith and Foundations. Today with us is Troy's brother and father, which ran away like roaches.
They're upstairs working.
This is Owen. Owen is our main helper. He's the goat so far on demoing. Very emotionless, doesn't talk much, but is a hell of a worker. Troy's father, Christopher.
What?
Come down here for a second.
I ain't climbing back down.
Alright, well then we'll climb to you. We're doing an introduction. So. Yeah.
I don't know. He's just leading the video, so I'm just the cameraman.
Oh, okay.
I got caught.
So forcing me to help against my will, call the police, please. Oh my God.
This is Troy's dad. Together we're the sexiest demo crew you're going to see online today. So don't scroll forward, watch the whole thing. Like, share, and subscribe, and watch us try to demo this place. Anything you gotta add, Troy?
No.
And everything else.
Okay, is that it for the intro?
I think so.
There you go.
Oh, you want me to do it?
Well, of course.
So, as promised, we're going to show you a detailed description of what we're going to do today. This ceiling, with all the, what's that whiteboard's called?
Tile.
No, these white strips.
Grout, or whatever you call it?
Oh my God, it's escaping my mind.
Oh, it's rock.
These.
Sheetrock.
No, these.
The boards?
There's a word for them.
Runs.
Dude.
It doesn't matter?
Faces.
No longer, because I can't remember what it's called.
Rafters.
Anyway,
Okay.
we're taking the ceiling all the way down to the rafters. So, one, we can see what's up there. Two, it needs to come down and help us rebuild the structure. Follow along with us, and God willing, this whole thing will be demoed today.
How are you doing the camera work? Is someone going to hold it, or are you going to set it up? It can't really be in my head if I'm working above it.
I mean, we can do time lapse now that we've described what we're doing, and then come back and show them what we've done.
Okay, well, how about
If we run into any problems, we'll slow it down and show them what we ran into.
Y'all got another shovel?
yes.
Do we?
The snow shovel, that's it though.
Oh, yeah, we have a snow shovel. We don't have one like... There's only one like that.
No one's going to be demoing.
That shovel is your grandfather's.
Which grandfather?
Your mom's...
George or the other one?
No, beyond that.
Sugars?
Yeah.
Should I stop the camera?
No, you can go.
Okay.
Follow us along. Sorry for getting off the track.
I guess we'll cut to when we're working.
We're going to get ladders and get this going. What'd you say?
Hold on. You ready, Captain? It's going.
Where am I going?
I don't know. You're the camera guy.
I'm coming back. Hold on. I'm just moving the electronics. So
I'm just trying to get out of work.
Yeah. Is it live?
Yes, it's live.
Oh yeah, thanks. Probably look like a freaking moron. Anywho, want to give you an update. Trying to tear the ceiling out, and come along, we'll show you what we found.
How long has it been? Reference.
20 minutes?
20 minutes.
I'm just guessing, I don't know. Ripping the ceiling plaster down and the boards, the shiplap. Troy ripped down the insulation and found out the whole back side of the house is the extension. It was added later. So we have this roof, which ends, and then there's going to be another roof on top that goes to the new section, evidently, which we did not know. All right, follow us along for the rest. We'll show you any other surprises or updates.
Back to time lapse.
Back to time lapse. Welcome back. Is the camera coming on? Anywho, update. This is nasty stuff, man. As you can see, I look unnatural. It just rains down like black dirt falling on your head, and who knows all what's in it. We're wearing masks and goggles while we're doing it. I don't have them on now, but it's nasty. We wanted to show you an update on our wiring. High-tech electricians were here working on this house. We have flying splices in our house. Good thing it kept going and didn't burn the place down. But it's exposed the roof. It's mostly cleanup air. Just some rigging on the electrical work and a lot of dirt and debris. It's going to be a nasty day for us. I guess follow us along. We'll let you know if there's any more surprises. Thank you. Hey, giving you a quick update. Our battery is low and overheating. We're demoing the front bedroom right now. Got it 50%. We're gonna take a small break, put a new battery in, and get back on. All right. All right, we're back. Got 2 bedrooms done. Getting ready to hit this hallway here in a second. Insulation, board, all of it coming down. Stay with us. Our batteries are dying very quick, heating up, and so are we. But we just want to get it done at this point.
How long do you think it took for that room?
That room, probably hour.
What about the dumpster? How are we doing on the dumpster?
Dumpster's probably 80% full at least.
We get it filled today?
Easily.
Any other words?
Next update.
Next update?
Welcome back.
Hold on. Okay, now I think we're back.
It was bleaking.
Yeah, but never mind. I'll explain later.
Welcome back. I don't even know what to say. My thoughts are jumbled right now. It's hot and miserable.
How long has it been?
I don't even know. It was 11 when we did the last thing, and it's now 12:12. So it's only been an hour. It feels like 6.
Yeah.
This stuff's just falling on our head.
There's metal things falling out. There's batteries. There's freaking shield things. There's a sound box up there.
Face ID won't work.
Yeah, mine wouldn't work either. Do you got any more words?
Follow us along. Watch us get miserable. And you get to sit in your comfort of your living room and watch it.
Getting hateful over here.
I'm not hateful, I'm just jealous.
What are you talking about? You're so clean.
Yeah.
I mean, look at me. I'm freaking...
I'd take a freaking garden hose right now.
Yeah, it's been interesting, to say the least. We'll be back after a break here. So I'll see you then.
To the guy who called me precious. That's for you, buddy.
You only get that if you're on the TikTok.
So put a short of that.
No, we're gonna make it
End of
short.
the TikTok.
We're gonna make it short after the video. You got any words, buddy? Come on, you gotta have something. How's the week been?
This is my last week of vacation. Unfortunately, I go to work tomorrow. However, I did lollygag the first week. Second week, we kind of got into it. But it's like putting sand back in a bottle. Time just keeps running.
You running out of steam there, buddy? Steam a little slow.
I am definitely running out of steam. I'm more than twice your age.
This is his video, by the way. So.
Yeah, so watch the sexiest guys on the planet demo a building. There you go. Do a long shot. Get a profile of this.
Oh yeah. You wanna dance? Do some dance to twerk.
What, the monkey dance?
Monkey
Wasn't that
dance.
the song?
What monkey dance?
That song, Monkey Dance or Monkey something.
What are you talking about?
That song was popular like 4 years ago.
I have no idea what you're
Monkey something.
I honestly have no idea what you're talking about. Kind of like Baby Shark?
No, it's not Baby Shark.
Do you know what he's talking about?
No.
It's like Monkey Dance. I'm pretty sure.
I don't think
What the hell are you talking about? I think you maybe swallowed too much stir or
you
something.
might inhale too much.
Something fell on your head.
You're gonna know it once I bring it up.
Okay. He's bringing it up. I don't know how
Although it can't be played on there.
Any minute now.
If only we had service. I'm serious, it's coming up.
Okay, I'm waiting. Would you search up monkey dance?
Yeah, same song.
Oh. Okay, I actually know what he's talking about.
What is it? I've heard it before, but
Yeah, I've heard it like twice.
It was like everywhere.
No, it
for
was not.
Like a year, it was. It was like everywhere for like a year straight.
maybe on your 55-year-old TikTok.
No, it was actually Eric's daughter was listening to it.
Well, that sounds about right.
It's a teen bopper song. Is this what I'm dancing to?
I'll start
Go
dancing.
ahead.
Here, Owen, you dance.
I will. My better judgment telling me to refrain.
No, come on, just a little a jig or something.
I'll mimic what you do. No, on camera. Come on. You're so bold a minute ago.
What are you talking
Break out
about?
of that shell. Come on, get on live camera and do this.
You're a funny guy. Do the Trump dance or something.
I don't remember what the Trump dance is.
I don't know. You just kind of, I don't know. You just kind of. That's pretty much. That's not too far off.
I don't know. How's an 80-year-old dance?
I mean, that's pretty
Without
close.
falling over.
Man. I don't know how. Doesn't he? Yeah, it goes like that. Something like that. With YMCA playing.
YMCA.
Too bad the other presidents don't have dances.
What the Biden dance would look like.
The Biden, he's got the Biden
That's him
blast.
falling over.
Hey,
Or taking a nap.
he's an old guy.
They're both the same age. I think Trump's older.
Yeah, I think Trump is older. He's fallen asleep too a few times.
He's 80-some years old.
I'm just saying, so
Give
they're
him
all
a break.
falling
He's
asleep.
like in the 1 percentile of people that live.
I think we'll stop the conversation here.
Yeah, it's getting political.
We'll keep ourselves safe here.
This is a non-political station.
Yeah, this is try to keep it non-political
It
here.
is a Christian station, but it's
It
not a
is a Christian
non-political station.
Have we told him about the thing we found? Do you want to tell them?
The thing we found.
The shield.
Your choice.
I don't know. We found a DeWalt battery and we found a Freemason shield thing.
Old school DeWalt battery.
Yeah, an old one. It's really old.
An OG.
There's also a sound box up there. I'm not sure what that is. If it's like,
so the squirrels could jam, obviously.
I guess. There's also plywood and all kinds of stuff up there.
Anybody who watches all this, I'm sorry. I'm tired. I'm dirty.
He's a bit out of energy.
I could crawl up in this cabin and take a nap. And that's no
honestly,
joke.
if I had to guess, we're gonna be leaving here in the next half hour.
I'm freaking wearing out of steam. My Trump energy's gone.
Trump, he didn't have any energy to begin with.
I'm starting to feel like Biden.
Well, he used to have. Did he? Whatever happened to his cancer?
What happened to him?
Yeah, where'd he go?
Yeah, I heard him or Kamala.
I mean, he can. I'm not gonna.
Yeah, this is a non-political zone, buddy.
Probably on a beach somewhere.
Shut up. This is all going in. I don't know. They all haven't done anything.
Dog face pony soldier.
Yeah, I like that. Your lion, dog face, pony soldier. I don't know what I think that was based off a movie that he saw.
Jill, give me a drink.
He had I think he had an ice cream button. Donald Trump had a Coke button. He has an ice cream button on his desk.
That's freaking lazy there.
It's true, they both have a button for it.
That's freaking lazy. I don't care who you are. That's lazy.
I would kind of feel bad making someone go get it for me.
They're paid
Yeah, but I would still feel bad.
more than we are.
I would still feel bad. I don't know, we're kind of
I
just...
don't feel sorry for anybody that's paid. Because you're accepting to do it.
Okay, well, either way, we're just kind of messing around here. This is, you can tell we're about to walk out the door. But you want to fill this dumpster up?
It's already pretty much filled.
Yeah, I'm done, dude. I'm freaking done.
He's admitted defeat. Let's get out there.
I'm waving my white flag. Welcome back. We're calling it wraps for today. We're beat, we're tired, we're dirty, and we want to just take a break. Plus the dumpster is completely full. We might be able to get 2 bags in it, but we're all tired and whooped. So we're gonna do a daily verse and see you on the next one. Please let us know in the comments if you like more interaction. Just like I should interact. I wish some of you all would leave comments. We will answer, promise you. The daily verse for today. God's trying to clean me off here.
It's good for views, man.
Is it? Where's my daily verse? Where's my daily verse?
This daily verse ran away.
Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for he is good, for his mercy endureth forever. 1 Chronicles 16:34, King James Version. God bless everybody. Hope you enjoy. Have a blessed day.